Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Jessica Rabbit on Dress to Impress. You do need the Style Showdown outfit here, but you don't need VIP. You can, however, replace the top. It's just not going to look the same, obviously. Let's get started with the video. For the hair, I used this hair in this color, CD for 200. Position the X to 0.51, Y 0.54, Z 0.42. Rotate the Y to 0.53, and scale it to 0.28. Grab this hair in the same color and no adjustments made, and also this one in the same color as well. For the gloves, we're just going to use these ones with the no fur toggle, and I'm just going to select this in silk. Then for the dress itself, we're going to go to the Style Showdown dress, which is here, and top only with no skirt. Color it this red. Actually, I did this red and glitter. And then for the skirt, I think I made it a little bit darker, but I want it to be a little bit lighter now. I'm going to use type 2 first and then color it the same. And then I'll do the type 3 because you do have to like color it first for some reasons. But then I'm going to add these heels in this color in silk, and that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.